How to fix Roomba C510 error. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you some of the steps that you need to take in order to fix this issue. So first of all, you just have to identify the error. So check the Roomba's LED lights. Different error codes are indicated by various patterns of beeps and light flashes. You need to refer to your Roomba's user manual in order to identify the specific error. So we have specified the error, which is the C510 error. Now in the second step, you just have to clean the Roomba. For that, you need to empty the dustbin. Make sure the dustbin is emptied after each use to prevent clogging. Then you need to remove the filter and tap it to remove the debris. Replace the filter if it is worn out. Remove and clean the brushes. So you need to take out the main brush and the side brush. Remove any hair, threads or debris wrapped around the brushes. Clean the brushes, bearings and remove any debris from the brush housing. After that, you need to use a dry cloth and cotton swab to wipe the sensors on the bottom of the Roomba. Then you need to just clean the charging contacts on both the Roomba and the home base with a dry cloth. In the third step, you need to reset the Roomba. For that, you need to press and hold the clean button for 10 to 20 seconds until you hear a beep. Release the button and wait for Roomba to restart. After that, you need to check for the obstructions. Make sure that the wheel can rotate freely and are not obstructed by any debris. Check the bumpers for any blockages or stuck debris. Next, you need to update the Roomba's software. So if your Roomba model supports it, then check the software updates via the iRobot Home application. Then you need to follow the instructions in the app in order to update the Roomba's firmware. Afterwards, you need to check the battery. You need to ensure that the battery is properly seated. If the Roomba still has issues, you need to try to remove and reinstall the battery. Consider replacing the battery if it's old or not holding a charge. If none of the methods work for you, then you can even try to contact the iRobot support. For that, you will have to come to iRobot's official website, and over here you need to click on the support button in the top, then click on contact. After doing so, you will be able to see their contact email and their phone number. So you can choose any of the options, or you can even click on send us a message option, and then you can have a call or a chat with the iRobot's customer support team for further assistance in this error. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.